Fellow chefs, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of this presentation and my dish entitled From the Ground Up, a Caribbean Nelly, a reconstruction and reminiscent of a local Caribbean favorite hors d'oeuvre. At the center of my dish is a variety of provision of different colors and tastes to suit any palate. At its side is a mixed rice and dal flatbread and tipitambo or tipitambo cherries accompanied by a coconut saffron sauce. At its side, you'd recognize an Afro-Indo-Trinidadian inspired vegetable dish called a ginger saltfish dashing bush mesh. Culminating all of this dish today is a bourbon marinated beef stew with tambron sauce and a spicy onion jelly. Coming out of the tambron shell is a sesame seed mixture representing the earth and of course the seed for this project, HRC Culinary Academy. From the ground up, a Caribbean Nelly.